Welcome back, everybody. This is a special video for all you guys. The people at Aircover was nice enough to send me a 17-piece griddle set to show you guys what they're offering. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we got inside. First of all, one of the things that I think it's a big plus, and I've always loved this, is it comes in a bag, a carrying bag. So I know a lot of you guys have Blackstones that you guys take camping. This makes it easy. It comes in a bag with more than you guys asked for. So it's a 17-piece. This goes for $32 at Amazon. I will be leaving a link in the description if you guys want to check them out. But for 32 bucks, 17-piece set and a carrying bag, you cannot go wrong. So when you open this right off the bat, you get 2 squirt bottles. Okay, now I got the big ones from Blackstone that I use the water and oil, so these I'll be using for sauces, so it's perfect for that. So what it has is these egg rings to make your eggs. Now I have some egg rings that I got from Blackstone that I use, and a lot of people have commented where do I get them, and they're really easy to use to make over easy eggs, you know, so stuff like that. So it comes with 2 heart shape. You want to be romantic? There you go. And 2 regular circle ones. So 2 circles, 2 heart. Perfect. Also, what it comes is it's a little cleaner to clean your Blackstone, and it'll help it. It's pretty cool. I don't have one of these, and I've seen some videos of other people that do it, and I've always saw it. So now I got my very own. Now I get to try it too. Let's see what else we got. We got one of these spatulas. This is great for me to. This is what I like to use when I clean my griddle. So this is one of those things that I like to use to scrape. Let's see what we got. And you always need one of these. And it comes with one of these too. So this is great. 17-piece set. So far, there's a lot of cool stuff in this. Now this little guy, I think this little guy on their picture, it has it for burgers. So this is pretty cool. I don't have one of these, but I will be using this a lot, and you'll see these in the videos on my future videos. And you can never have too many of these, as it comes with 2 spatulas. So this is great. I was in the market I was thinking of going and buy 2 more of these, and now I got 2. I don't need to go. So it comes with these 2 also. This stuff is perfect. Like if you just bought your Blackstone and you're looking for accessories, this is a one-time bam. You get everything all in once. 32 bucks, can't go wrong. This little guy, this guy is cool. I've seen a lot of videos, and you see all the bigger YouTube videos of Blackstone. They have one of these guys right here, and I thought it was cool when I see them use it. So now I got one, and you'll see me use this a lot. So it comes with this too. Now this, when I saw the pictures, I don't have this, and I've been wanting one of these. Actually 2, because you know why. This little season guys. Because as the more you grill, the more you use your Blackstone, the more season you use, you start to be creative. And you start to add half of this, half of that, mixing them up. Now I got my own little guys that I can do my mix. You know, like when we do burgers, we have the garlic seasoning. I'm gonna mix it with some Johnny seasoning. So now I got these to mix it with. It comes with 2 of these. Perfect. Last but not least, it's your little brush here for when you use barbecue, or if you're prepping your like wings or whatever and you got to add some oil on them, vegetable oil, you do this to be clean. I have one of these, and you can never have too many of these because I use a lot of barbecue sauce for a lot of my stuff that I use. So this will be used on the Traeger also. And then the bag is considered a piece. So you have 16 accessories plus your bag. That's 17. Now, like once again, like I said, the bag makes the big difference for me, because we do a lot of grilling at campsites and stuff like that, or when we were at an event, at a party, they want me to grill, look like a pro, and I come with my little bag. So forget, guys, I'll leave a link on the description where you guys can check this out. These are the people from Aircover. Okay, it's a 17-piece set for $32. You cannot go wrong with this because it has everything that you will need for your Blackstone. So check this stuff out. Check the link. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you guys are buying it, when you guys go order it, put a little comment on their site saying that you guys came from Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. So thank you guys, and we'll see you guys next time.